Today we'll be learning the 16 count Maniarara step. Hi, I'm Priya from Priya Dance Company and welcome to the Folk Fusion project. I had mentioned this Maniarara step in the Chokara tutorial. I'm going to break this down into an 8+8 count step. Now Maniararas is popularly done by men. They wear white kedios with white bottoms. They either hold a sword in their hand or a stick and do this in groups, so it looks very powerful, especially if it's done on stage. We're going to be obviously doing this without a sword, but we'll pretend like we have a sword in one hand. So let's begin. So I'll pretend that I'm holding a sword in my right hand. My left hand, I'm almost pretending like I'm holding a shield. The first 4 counts look like this. Right, left, left, right. Let me show you that once again. Just in terms of the footwork, it is right, left, left, right. In terms of my hands, I took my sword, hit it to my shield in 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I got it back to the shield. Let's see that together with the arms and the legs. The first 4 count in 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when you're taking the step, just make sure your legs don't move similar to Garba, because Garba is you don't really lift your leg. In this case, I'm actually lifting my leg very aggressively and bringing it down. We're trying to replicate the power of that Maniararas, and that's why it's essential to lift your leg up as high as possible. So that's your first 4 count. Let's see that one more time. In 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5, 6, 7, 8, I'll just show you and then we'll break it down. In 5, 6, 7, go 5, 6, 7, 8. In terms of my foot, when I began the first 4 counts, I did 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the end of the 4th count, my right leg was behind at a cross. Now the 5, 6, 7, 8, I would just do a 5, 6, 7, 8. So all I'm doing is I'm continuing to keep my right leg back. From there, I'm taking the 5th count step there only. 5, 6 on the same place. 7, you bring it forward, and 8 at the end of 4, and then I did 5, 6, 7, 8. In terms of my hand, again what I did was my hand was connected to my shield. My sword is connected to my shield. From here, I just took 5, 6, 7, 8. I took those 4 counts to get back. So let's see that arms and foot together of the 5, 6, 7, 8. So we finished here. 5, 6, 7, go 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this step is slightly milder than the initial step. The initial step was almost like you were slashing someone's something and getting back, but the next 4 steps is very mild. 2, 3, 4. You're not really going all out in terms of power. Let's see that arms and foot together for the first 8 count. In 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me show you the footwork of the next 4 counts. So footwork, I start with my right again and I go right in the front, left in its own place tap, right in its own place tap, and left moves and comes off in the front. Let's see that once again. So my legs went right, left in its own place, right in its own place, and left comes forward. Let's see that one more time. In 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4. The arms are the same like the first 4 counts, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's try these 4 counts together. In 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4. We've reached here. We'll do the same 5, 6, 7, 8 that was done in the previous set, but this time we'd be facing the opposite side. The first time when we were doing this, we were facing here, so we were essentially facing my right. Now because we've turned back, we'll still be facing my right, but this time it will be this side. So we landed here. From here we did a 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try this together in 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it from my side. I'll see you in the next video, and this is me, Priya, from the Folk Fusion Project.